arrived at Cobbold Gorge after a 40 kilometre dirt road trip, which Richard and the car performed very, very well. And now we've just got to go and check in. Should be a very interesting stay here, I think. What do you think, Richard?
Yep, looking forward to it. Putting on our bucket little list for this trip, so it'll be great. One hopes.
After we'd set up on our site, we realised that we'd made a mistake with the orientation of our van. Our left side was facing north, which meant that the hot sun would be beating down on our fridge and pantry all day. We had to use our shade cloth creatively, and we also reminded ourselves to think more carefully next time. As well, we were facing the dusty road into and out of the gorge, which was quite busy during the day. At least we were in a good spot for sunsets. Having an early breakfast this morning because this morning we're going on our stand-up paddleboard tour down into the gorge. So we've got to meet the bus in about an hour's time when we go down that road and to see the gorge for the first time. It's very quiet here this morning and the sun is just starting to rise in the distance. Birds are up, twittering away. The sounds of the bush.
Here we are at Cobbold Gorge. We're doing the 8 AM paddleboard tour and so far so good. I haven't fallen in, but I'm sure we'll see some interesting things as we go. And this is what I look like at the moment. Hello, and look who's joined me. Maybe I'll hear the sound of the helicopter engines in the background. They often do a lot of tours here.
Making it hard for me to turn around.
Now this is how you execute a perfect three-point turn in the Cobbold Gorge. You might get lucky and see Debbie fall in, but who knows. Oh, she did it brilliantly. Oh, maybe I can knock her over. Anyway, see how we go. I wonder if I can hear the helicopter. I wonder if I can catch it coming overhead. Not this time. We're at the point where we're going under the famous glass bottom bridge here at Cobbold Village. Meanwhile, I'm coming close to these rocks, so I better move. We see examples of plant life growing into the side of the rocks and the dripping down of water.
Thank you. We'll see how you enjoy it tomorrow.
Yeah,
Yes.
looking forward to it, that's for sure. How's the water?
Lovely.
How refreshing, very refreshing. What's going on here? We've got to come to reception to get internet, haven't we?
That's
Now,
it.
this is where you'll usually find everyone.
Also might see long tom. We've got a couple of long tom in here. We've got the red claw, blue claw, gabbies, freshwater prawn, carabin.
Well, as you can see from the video, we had an amazing time at Cobbold Gorge, which was a bucket list destination for us. We really enjoyed the tours, which can only be done through the village itself. You can't go out into the gorge on your own. But that's fine, you get lots of information along the way about the area and its history, which we found quite interesting.